Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a general reading for the collective, see what kind of messages want to come out today, if there's any guidance that's being offered. It's terrible. We have the Five of Cups. The Six of Swords, the Fool card, the Strength card, the Lovers card, Eight of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the World. Okay, it looks like somebody here has really been going through it lately. There's some kind of sadness, some kind of disappointment. You're feeling very stuck, trying to keep yourself positive. We have better days coming. This is moving out of this energy, moving into a brighter, happier energy, a higher vibration. This is about keeping your faith, taking that leap. We have the Strength card here and the Lovers, Leo and Gemini energy. I feel like the Strength card is here, reminding you to keep your ego in check. And I don't mean the good, healthy ego. I mean the shadow side of it, our inner demons, our inner battles, taming the beast, not to be reactive from a younger version of you, not to react from a shadow space, but to respond from a higher vibration, to have faith in what you're doing, hold on to hope. It looks like somebody's been building something here. Looks like somebody's been really putting a lot of work into something. Look at all this intricate web. Spiders are gatekeepers. Someone's been putting a lot of work into something. They've been building their empire, owning their power, stepping into it. And then we have the World card here, which is telling you to step through. You've already put so much work into it. Don't let this shit here get into your head. Don't let it hold you back. What you're tapping into is spiritual. It's beautiful. It's bright. It's happy. It's high vibration. It's a true expression of yourself, I just heard. So make that final leap. Don't talk yourself out of it. Tame that inner voice. We have the Two of Pentacles here, which again speaks of a choice of transformation. I'm feeling the energy of somebody who was rising up. They were rising up, they feel like they were getting somewhere, and then all of a sudden, this energy hits them. This depression, this fear, this lack mentality, feeling like no one likes you, everyone's against you. I was talking to a real good friend of mine the other day, and I told them that they were like a butterfly with bird shit on their wing. And that's what this card just reminded me of. It must be the Gemini energy here, but don't let this get you down. Like, there's somebody here that's coming in. There's a voice here, whether it's your own or somebody else's, that is kicking you back to a lower vibration, almost like a rubber band. You feel like you're stretching, like you're growing, like you're expanding, and then you just get snapped back to an old belief system. We have the Four of Wands here. Again, I feel like this is a portal energy. This is like the World card. This is about stepping through. This is about your guides being proud of you. This is about your soul lighting up. You're doing what you need to be doing. You're doing what makes you happy. There's so many blessings coming to you. Don't get stuck with someone else's crap. This card is also giving me the as within, so without energy. This infinity symbol here, it's not going up and down, it's going side to side. This is about cause and effect. This is about the energy you're putting in is coming back to you. As within, so without. So these two energies, if you're feeling this way, that's an energy that you need to come out of. If you're feeling this way, this is what you're projecting out. We have the Father of Cups here. This is something that you love. This is something that you've put a lot of energy into. This is something that you're offering out into the world. You're really putting yourself out there. Something you're very passionate about. You love it. You love to share it. You love to empower people. We have the Mother of Wands. Look at this card. Look how protective she is. This project was your baby. You've put so much work into it. You've put so much work into it to build your empire, to build your legacy. And you're feeling very defeated here. It's all right, because you're coming out of that energy. You're coming out of that energy. Everything else, we have this defeated energy right here, and then we have this rainbow coming in, like the clouds clearing up, getting a better vision. We have the Strength card, the Lover's card, your connection to self, the Emperor, the World. These are all great cards that are coming in. Yeah, the Eight of Wands coming in fast too. This energy is going to break here soon. You're going to be able to see clearly. You need to sort through those emotions. I just heard the Hierophant. You need to sort through these emotions, and you need to figure out which ones are yours and which ones are being projected on you. This is something you already know. I feel like this is something you already know, and it's something that you help others work through, but you're not so good at doing it or seeing it for yourself. So, look, there's lightning in this card, and there's lightning in this card. It's happening fast. You need to see it. You need to see that these energies aren't yours. These are being projected onto you. Everything else you have here is beautiful energy. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of growth. Look, Nine of Cups, emotional fulfillment. We have the Daughter of Swords, which speaks about your thoughts, your words. What are you saying about yourself? How are you speaking about yourself? What kind of thoughts are going through your head? These could also be old energies from maybe your old thought patterns, old limits, old patterns, parental programming. Yeah, with the Ten of Swords. There is a lot of things that have been said to you over the years, I just heard, that every now and then you just let them get to you. Every now and then they all come crashing down on you. All these words, all of these thoughts, all of these projections, the way that people think you should be, think you should act, think you should move. All of that just comes crashing down on you sometimes, and you're pretty sure that you're really just fucking up your own life. But none of those thoughts are yours. None of those thoughts are yours. They were just projected on you. They were thrown at you. You are a product of your upbringing. You know, we can't help the way other people see things. We can't help the way other people feel. And maybe they said these things to you whenever you were 14 years old. And maybe it was at a time when you were screwing things up. That's not something that you have to hold on to. That's not something that lasts a lifetime. You know, these are thoughts that you really need to work through. You really need to get them out of your head. The Wheel of Fortune just wanted to flip out of the deck. This is a cycle that you keep finding yourself in over and over again. Truth. Then we got the Six of Wands. There we go with the butterfly again. Look, no bird shit on their wing. Fly higher. Fly higher.